Hello, welcome to Michelle's Home Cooking. I'm Michelle. Today I'm sharing with you my recipe for my down-home macaroni and cheese. My down-home macaroni and cheese is easy to prepare. It's perfect for the holidays, your fish fries, your barbecues, and let's not forget it goes great with fried chicken. If you love creamy macaroni and cheese as much as I do, this will be the easiest, most creamiest macaroni and cheese you ever made or tasted. One bite of this and you know why I call it down home. Before we get started, let's go over the ingredients to make this down home macaroni and cheese. To make this down home macaroni and cheese, you will need some cubed Velveeta, some shredded sharp cheddar cheese, some shredded white cheddar cheese, some condensed cheddar soup, some butter, some sour cream, some salt, some milk, some evaporated milk, and of course some cooked macaroni. Now, let's head over to the stove so we can make the cheese sauce. Okay, now in this saucepan over a medium heat, you're going to add your butter. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add our cheese, the condensed cheddar cheese soup. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add our milk. And then our evaporated milk. And we're going to stir this and bring this up to a boil. Okay, now that our mixture has come to a boil, let's go ahead and add our cheeses. So first I'm going to add the Velveeta. Okay. Next I'm going to add the sharp cheddar cheese. Then I'm going to add my white cheddar cheese. And then I'm going to add the sour cream. And I'm going to continue to stir until all the cheeses are melted and the sauce is smooth and creamy. And just for a word of caution, when you're boiling cheese sauces, milk mixtures, sugar and water mixtures, pastas, rice, please be careful not to walk away from the stove while those are boiling, because they will boil over and they're a nightmare to clean up. So when you're boiling, you know, your milk mixtures, your cheese mixtures, pastas, sugar mixtures, be careful to stay by the stove and watch it. Turn it down as needed because it will boil over, and I promise you it's a nightmare to clean up. So I'm going to continue to stir this until this cheese is melted. Okay, now that my sauce is all smooth and creamy, look at that, doesn't that look delicious? Now it's time to add the salt. So I'm going to go ahead and stir my salt. Okay, now it's time to stir in the pasta. Get a little bit of grip on that so I don't drop it. It's been sitting in there for a while. Alright. Behave, macaroni and cheese, behave. Alright. Now you just want to stir and break this up in there. Okay, now this is ready. Now I'm about to show you what to do next. Okay, now I'm going to add my macaroni and cheese to my crock pot. As you can see, I lightly buttered it. So now I'm going to go ahead and add this. Ooh, doesn't that look delicious? So creamy, so cheesy. Oh, this is going to be so, so good. You and your family is going to absolutely love this. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and cover and cook this on high for 30 minutes, stirring every 15 minutes. After that, I'll show you guys what it looks like. My down-home macaroni and cheese is done. Let's take a look. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, doesn't that look amazing? Smooth, creamy, cheesy. Oh, so delicious. Let me go ahead and spoon some of this in this bowl so y'all can really get a good look. See that? Nothing but cheese, smooth sauce, and I can't help but get a taste. Mmm. So delicious. All you need now is some ham, some greens, and homemade dinner rolls. That's some good eating, baby. Now, to get this recipe, head over to michelleshomecooking.com. And if you haven't already done so, please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Coming up next, my recipe for my pineapple honey ham. See you soon.